I am 54 and I drive trucks for 30 years now. And one morning I thought, what if I fell down of the truck? What if I break my leg? Then I cannot work, and in 1 week there is sitting another man in my place. And that is when I start thinking different. Because when something becomes normal, you start counting on it. But in a moment it can all fall apart. I want more freedom. I want more freedom to enjoy the rest of my life, to go on holiday, to sit on a terrace in Helsinki, get some food in lunchtime. I want to decide what I do and when I do it, and without any alarm. So I start building my own thing after work. No ads, no existing audience, no technical experience. I had none of it. The blueprint shows you how to choose one offer, build your foundation, get organic traffic, and start with your email list. Step by step. I am too old to chase 3 methods at once, so one system, and I stay with it. And I wish somebody showed me this from the beginning, because I was doing too much and not knowing enough. So I put the whole thing in a free blueprint. Enter your email below and I send it straight to you. No hype, just peace, no pressure at all.